Hi guys, this is Level Crossing fan here, and this level crossing is at Aviation Road in Laverton. Okay, now the metro train's coming up from West Tona. Well, one of the hybrid just stopped there, but it still works fine. Just missed a beat. Okay, the boom gate's going up. You go through. Metro train's now at Aircraft Station. So this crossing is on the removal list, and as you can see here, they're in the process of removing it. So this is going to be a road over to go over the track to replace this level crossing. So yeah, it's coming along very nicely. This crossing will be removed by early 2020. So this road here and the crossing infrastructure will be removed. And yeah, also I'm wanting to go to this removal when it gets removed, so I can get a Westinghouse hybrid bell from it, and this is the one I want on this side. So have it in my bedroom and take it to some crossings that used to have Westinghouse hybrid bells too. But anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. My next crossing video is Old Geelong Road. See